private bar. It has a very chill and laid-back setting. It's a fantastic place to hang out with your friends.
And look at the decor. It has such a rustic and like sporty vibe. I love it. Charmin, do you fancy a game?
Oh, you're gonna lose.
Oh, you're on. Food looks amazing. The league has like perfect meals to eat with your friends after watching games. It's amazing.
It's fabulous.
Let's start.
So I have the chips and dip. I have the quarterback burger, which is huge. It's going to get messy.
Burgers are always messy.
What do you have?
So I have the leek salad, and then I have the lamb spare ribs. I'm gonna start with the salad. Has shrimps.
How's it?
So good. The lettuce is fresh and it's so crispy.
I'm going to
And
try
it's a
this
Caesar.
chips.
Oh, go ahead. It's a Caesar sauce. I never had shrimps with Caesar sauce. I love it. Let me try the shrimps.
The chips are freshly cooked, and the salsa, it has a hint of spice in it. It's actually pretty spicy. Good spicy though. It's good spicy, so I like it. And these are good dip. It's like perfect while watching a game.
That's true.
Okay. Okay, Charmin, time to get your hands messy.
I'm gonna start with the ribs.
Wow.
Ooh, it's saucy.
This is how the burger looks inside. Ooh, it's juicy. It has jalapenos, tomato, lettuce, generous amount of cheese and sauce. Okay,
We should try the ribs.
let me do this.
It's so good. Saucy. I think that's barbecue sauce. So good.
The patty is thick. It's flavorful for the burger.
I can't stop.
What's your drink?
So it's kiwi.
Mine is a completely flat drink. It's lavender
Ooh.
and rose water. Lavender and rose water.
It's refreshing.
I'm basically drinking flour. Oh, it's good, but it's good.
That's good.
It's sweet.
Tell me,
It's nice.
do you like churros?
I love churros.
Then let's churros. And we have it with the chocolate dip.
They look so glittery. The cinnamon sugar coating on the churros. They're nice. They're like the perfect food for any game day, any game night.
I know. I'm just gonna go with the dip.
I like it with the dip, actually. Even without the dip,
well
it's
cooked.
heavenly. It's heavenly.
And it's well cooked. It's nice. I'm gonna try it with the chocolate. Ooh.
This is a good day.
Well, enjoy your churros and stay tuned for other episodes of Taste of Qatar.
We'll see you on our next episode.
Bye.
Bye-bye.